Elon Musk and Tesla give California a second chance. To everyone's surprise, Tesla's CEO has decided to open Tesla's engineering headquarters in Palo Alto just over a year after moving the automaker's headquarters to Austin, Texas. Well, listen. I mean, obviously, there's a real track record in that area of California for tremendous talent. That's a lot of it, I presume, still there. It's a warming of relations between Elon Musk and California. It's a bit like the return of the child prodigy. At the end of 2021, the billionaire moved Tesla's headquarters to Fremont, California, from Fremont, California to Austin, Texas. The reason was clear. The California authorities had given in to progressive ideology symbolized by wokeism, which was becoming a drag on business, according to the techno king. Well, there was also some taxation stuff, and I'm sure he was looking for all advantages possible when it came to expanding. And I remember they were rolling out the red carpet in Austin. They had the mayor over there, the governor, whatever it was. And they're like, well, you know, you create all these jobs. You put this building over here. Maybe your tax rate looks like this instead of this. Maybe we chip in a few bucks. Maybe we put a nicer road up to the giga. Listen, this is all alleged. I'm just, I'm goofing around. I don't know how that all works, but in politics, Will, you give, you take. You give a little, you get a little.
Yeah.
And then just some regions in general are going to be more aggressive and welcoming when it comes to attracting business. And at the time, he was having a COVID dispute with Fremont location as well, where the I don't know if it was the governor of the state, it was another politician in California that really wanted things shut down over there. And he was like, I'm building cars, I ain't shutting down, and I'm going to Texas type thing going on. So there's a number of factors beyond just your, I guess maybe that counts as a progressive ideology. I don't know the way this thing is written. April 30th, 2020, Musk launched a scathing criticism of anti-COVID-19 measures during Tesla's first quarter earning calls. I should say we are a bit worried about not being able to resume production in the Bay Area, and that should be identified as a serious risk. That's called scathing, Will. But apparently he has I don't know if he's changed his point of view, and I don't know how big this operation would be in comparison. Tesla is restarting production today against Alameda County rules. I will be on the line with everyone else. If anyone is arrested, I ask that it only be me. This was him back in 2020, sort of peak COVID times, when he was suggesting that they'd have to arrest him to have him stop making cars back then in his defiant stage. He's probably still in that stage, to be honest, when it comes to certain factors. From what I gather, Tesla was told they could operate by the state of California, but Alameda County illegally overrode that decision. Elon Musk, can you confirm? And he says, yes, California, okay. Alameda, not okay. So I guess it was more of like a municipal type of issue. But anyway, so they're going back. So maybe scroll to that part of it. Tesla bets on California again. We're excited to announce that Tesla's global engineering headquarters will be right here. The former headquarters of Hewlett-Packard, Musk said, alongside Democratic California Governor Gavin Newsom, in an event taking place in Palo Alto, Feb 22, streamed on Tesla's Twitter account, shaking hands. What do you think Newsom did? Huh? A little massage or what?
He got a free Tesla and a massage from Elon.
No, it's the other way around. He had to get him back.
Oh, okay, yeah.
He had to do something for Elon.
Okay.
Elon didn't need help with that.
Yeah. So is Elon going to be working from Fremont?
Well, engineering headquarters? No, not Fremont. We're now into Palo Alto, yeah, that's like, that's Silicon Valley Central, really. Right. It's in and around all those guys. You got your Apples and your Googles and your Mountain View, and you got your Metas, and they're all in there, right? So when it comes to attracting talent and stuff on your side, you're like, okay, certainly in software engineering, you go, all you got to do is come down the street. And they go, okay, perfect. Let's get a little bit of the video clip here. Let's see what the moods are like. We got white shirts. We got suit jackets. We got bright sunshine, overexposure on the faces.
So we're excited to announce that Tesla's global engineering headquarters will be right here, the former headquarters of Hewlett-Packard. And this is, I think, a poetic transition from the company that founded Silicon Valley to Tesla. And we're very excited to make this our global engineering headquarters in California. So.
Applaud, everybody.
Applaud, everybody. Let's hear it for Elon Musk, everybody.
Appreciate. I mean, Eli, we're talking about obviously the symbolism, but also the substance.
Empty chairs up front there.
Reflected in an event like this, in a day like this, but also I think the relevance, the world we're living in, and what defines the trend lines of the world, and how is California in particular a state that prides itself on being on the leading and cutting edge of discovery and new ideas and innovation. How do we take advantage of those trend lines? And I've said it for decades now, and we first met quite literally a few decades ago, before those first cars were rolling off the line, that if you want to be big in big things, and the opportunity to transform the automobile industry, to lead the world, not just this nation, to lead the state in this extraordinary journey we've been on over the last 20 years, to be now the dominant manufacturer in the dominant manufacturing state. People forget that. California is the largest manufacturing state in the United States, now the 4th largest economy in the world. Eat your heart out, Germany. And a state of remarkable resiliency. 7.8% GDP growth a year ago, 2.9 last year.
This is the promo. He's running his own promo right now. He's like a wrestler.
Yeah. And in so many ways,
eat your heart out, Germany.
Is now competing against
the 4th biggest economy.
You got to step up your game, and you got to invest in your growth engines. And I couldn't be more proud of California's commitment to support Tesla over the course of the last few decades. It's demonstrable in terms of policy.
Wow.
In terms of
what's Elon thinking about in his head right now? He's just like
interesting regulation.
I want to tweet.
He's like, what if
for all
some
it's
memes.
good and evil, depending
we
on
put
which
wings
side you're on
the
But
Cybertruck
the regulatory
and
framework
it all of a sudden is flying?
Cyberplane?
That this was the direction
Then
we were
we
going.
landed on the
And
roof
as
of
a
this place
consequence,
right
the
now.
California
Maybe right on this guy's head. I don't
The
know.
investments we have made over the course of years, we're able to lay claim now to.
That's a lot of.
Texas is pretty good. This this guy got a lot out of this. I don't know. The building's okay, but this guy's kind of taking it a bit far here. Like I really mean we could do this anywhere. Right? It's kind of cool to be back here, but
Here first, we're America's coming attraction.
Yeah, in fact, you were one of the first people to buy a Tesla Roadster back in the day.
I
think we were
appreciate you saying that.
We were just talking about that.
Yeah, I told him he had my money for a long while with that.
Good.
That was by the way, that was a healthy deposit you had to make. You didn't trust me.
It was
You
like
thought I was
100
gonna take
grand,
off.
I think.
Yeah, thank you very much. Back when I had money.
Yeah, when that was a lot of money in 2007.
It's still a lot.
back when I had
You
money.
haven't looked at my salary,
So,
okay?
thanks for supporting.
We had about the same net worth
my
back then.
God.
Years ago.
I think mine went negative for a while.
Yours went negative, and I got a pension. So eat your heart out.
Yeah.
Eat your heart out again. We
But
got a
look,
second
I'm
eating of the heart out.
As I said, it's been a hell of a journey. And to see the engineer, look, and I'll just close on this because it's important. It's not surprising to me, but I don't take it for
This
granted.
is some weird content we just stumbled into.
But you like it.
I do. It's got a lot of stuff I like.
Is here in California.
They are just like oil and water, these two. Like you can easily understand why they didn't previously get along.
Body language.
There's just very little interfacing.
That's, again, what separates our game from the game played in so many other parts of the globe. And so you're a huge part of that success.
Oh, here he goes. Okay,
Our
now he's
success,
going to say he's good.
America's Success. And I'm here because we don't take that for granted, and we appreciate the investments you're making here today.
And you mentioned manufacturing.
What was weird about that
Fremont manufacturing plant
is that he goes talking about how great they are and growing and smashing and eat your heart out. And then he's like, oh, yeah, we're happy to have you. Do you know what I'm saying? I mean, he makes it sound like they don't need them at all, but you have Elon standing right there. It's an odd...
Which is, again, often so lost. We also have more hunting jobs and more fishing jobs and more forestry jobs. I'm not just...
It's a big state.
Yeah. I'm just saying. I mean, these are
Oh,
things
shots fired.
connect in terms of...
Shots fired. Some small shots fired. I mean, it's a big state, all right? You got a lot of people, so...
Okay, yeah.
Pluralism matters.
You know what I mean? He's like, GDP, okay, yeah, we get it. You have mountains and the ocean. Like, we get it.
This is called a California promotion, at least my rhetoric. But it's also California pride. And I say that as a guy who grew up here. And those that count us out, those that think our best days are behind us, I've been hearing that my entire life, half a century. And I think today is just another proof point of the renewal and the energy and the vibrancy.
Pride is a weird thing. You know? Like, to be so proud of a physical...
It takes guts, it takes courage, it takes risk.
You know, it's...
Taking, and
he's pointing at him again.
It takes partnership. So I'm appreciative of you and appreciative of our partnership over the course of the last 20 years. And let's see this as the beginning of something even more extraordinary on the journey to dominate in this space and to change the way we produce and consume energy in this state, in this nation.
Eat your heart out, Will.
All right. Well,
Eat your heart out.
yeah.
Eat your heart out. I think Elon regrets this. He's like, you know what? Hey, this HP place is okay, but I don't know if it was worth it with all that.
Yeah. Fly me back to Texas. I want to ride my rocket.
He's like, you know what? I don't know. He's like, I don't know about this guy.
It's questionable.
Oh, it was so awkward. Listen, it can happen to the best of us. I mean, I haven't been in that exact scenario, but...
Well, Elon's not
I
really
promise
a
you
social guy as well.
No, I know, but I promise I've just been in awkward social scenarios where it's not really thought through, and then they're like, well, you're gonna stand over there, and he's gonna stand over there, and it's weird. You have a mic, you're facing 12 people sitting in folding chairs, but then it's also, it's streamed, and then everyone's supposed to be excited and happy, and it's like, they should just sit down and have a conversation, maybe. Like, I don't know. There's got to be, because it just ends up feeling that way. And really the way it feels is like Newsom there just cutting a promo for how sick California is. You know what I mean? And I'm not sure that that's really the point here. Like, we didn't find out anything about this HQ that they're going to have.
Yeah, maybe a tour?
Well, we just didn't find out anything. Cool. Like, how many people are you going to have there? What exactly are they going to be working on? Why is it beneficial for them to be located there, proximity-wise? I don't know. It's just, yeah. We didn't really get too much info there.
Yeah.
But whatever.
Congrats.
Yeah, I guess they keep it moving, right? There must be positive incentives. There must be positive incentives.